Plastic may have been banned, but here is an eco-friendly, effective and beautiful way to protect your food. We're going to be using beeswax, which is a natural and affordable alternative to make sturdy and reusable fabric food wraps. This waxed fabric uses the heat of your hands to form covers and wraps over the food. You can make them in a variety of colors and sizes, so grab your choice of fabric and let's get started. You will need cotton or muslin fabric, organic beeswax pellets, which are easily available online, jojoba oil, parchment paper, scissors, ruler and a marker. Start by drawing out the shape of your choice on the fabric using a ruler and marker, or trace it instead. Cut along the lines and now your material is ready to be transformed. Place the cloth on top of 2 pieces of parchment paper. Sprinkle it with the beeswax pellets to cover the surface evenly. Now add a few drops of jojoba oil. This is optional, but it gives the wax extra protection from flaking when folded. Cover this with another sheet of parchment paper. Use your iron to go over these layers till the beeswax has completely melted. You will be able to see it spread through the layers as it melts. Add more beeswax if needed to coat the fabric completely. Peel it off the paper while still wet. Air it out slightly and lay flat to let it dry. Believe it or not, this DIY food wrap has so many advantages. You can use it multiple times until it won't hold its shape anymore and is biodegradable even when thrown away. It's water resistant and easy to maintain. All you need to do is wipe it down using a sponge with soap and cold water. You can use it to wrap sandwiches, cover bowls, and containers. We hope you give this a try, and until next time, stay tuned for a lot more of these creative DIYs coming your way. And stay glamorous.